Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on lock screen notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To look for lock screen options, we have to go to Settings, then Notifications, and here we have lock screen notifications. By default it's turned on, but if it's turned off for whatever reason, the option to turn it on is right here. We tap it once, we have a little pop-up menu. So turn on notifications. Also show notifications on cover screen. Yes please. We can choose not to show on our cover screen, but let's leave it on. And now our notifications are turned on both on lock screen and on our cover if we have one. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.